The purpose of operations leadership in the operations of BPOs, account management, etc., is to balance strategy and day-to-day work. There must be a delivery team that would answer the needs of the clients on the get-go, but they must not be stuck with firefighting. The role of strategy is to eliminate firefighting. There has to be self managing teams that would address immediate concerns as well as long term concerns. For more information about this, feel free to contact me. All right? Have that growth mindset.